China ended a record which they maintained for 12 years. In this video we will discuss what was that record and what happened in China. Even President Xi is also shocked. But before starting video, I must be asking a question: what is the currency of China? First bear, second yuan, 3 RD ruble, fourth rupees. Try this question and write your answer in the comment box. China ended a record of 4,227 safe flight days in the worldwide. The China Eastern Airlines Boeing 737-800 was flying from Kunming Airport, southwest China. Vunman Province. Here is the location of Kunming Airport to Guang's location in the photo. The plane flight MU 5735 took off from the Kunming Airport to Guangzhou and suddenly the plane crashed. First I am showing the location of the crashed place in the map. Here is the location. In this place 132 persons on board, 124 passengers and 9 crew members. And according to media reports, all the passengers are died, including crew members, in this deadly crash. This is really sad. This is the first air crash in China since a fatal incident happened in Yushan, northeast China in 2010, location in the map. In Yushan crash 44 people killed. And this time 132 people killed. The official website of China Eastern Airlines was turned to black and white to mourn for the tragedy. First you should watch the video of this crash. Here is the video. You can see the plane fell vertically from the sky. Although it was far, but could still see that it was a plane. Here you see that plane did not emit smoke during the fall. It fell into the mountain and started a fire, and then a lot of smoke came out. However, the specific cause of the accident can only be determined until the black box is recovered. After the crash, China Eastern Airlines has decided to ground all of the company's Boeing 737-800 planes. Don't assume that China is going to ground all the Boeing planes. Only Boeing 737-800. This is the plane of 737 NG series passengers aircraft, including 737-600/700/800/900. Chinese president is also shocked and give further investigation order. This is the end of video. Hope you like the video. And if you think this video is informative, then share your feedback in the comment box.